Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 27th of October. I'm James Spann. Rain moves in here tonight, and then the coldest air so far this season blows in tomorrow. Let's go and check it out. New trough digging down across the Great Plains. That will deliver that cold air tomorrow. You'll really feel it here with a strong northwest wind developing. This morning, it's cool, but not as cold as recent mornings. Birmingham 53, Gadsden 40. We'll be up in the low 70s again today. But around the nation, wow, look at the cold air up north. Teens and 20s. And the growing season is over for many places across the central U.S. We got freeze warnings in effect from Texas all the way up into parts of Iowa and Minnesota. In fact, speaking of Minnesota, this is snow falling at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota early this morning near Minneapolis-St. Paul. Their first snow of the season. They've got a winter weather advisory in effect there. With the band of rain coming in here tonight, maybe some thunder, but the good news, the SPC guys have taken out that marginal risk of severe weather. And all along, it was a low-end threat anyway, but there's no chance of severe weather tonight, but thunder a possibility, especially between about midnight and 6 a.m., and then tomorrow, a chance of thunder to the east of us, over southeast Alabama and the East Coast, just a marginal threat over the southern tip of Florida. Rain for the next 7 days, and the bulk of this will be tonight and tomorrow morning, about 1/2 to 1 inch for much of the state. Tropical weather, that little disturbance on the Central American coast, now given a 50% chance of becoming a tropical depression between now and Sunday. And that will be moving to the east-northeast, no threat to the Gulf or our part of the world here. That'll most likely stay out to sea if anything develops there. So let's check it out, model fans. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. There's your trough. This is at 500 millibars. Down below that, a partly sunny sky today. High should be in the low 70s, and maybe a slight chance of a shower late this afternoon. The day mostly dry. Let's go to 8 o'clock tonight. This is coming off the high-res NAM. And for the high school football games, understand there could be a shower. But the widespread rain should be still west of here at 8 o'clock over Mississippi and West Tennessee. So I think for many of the high school games, they'll get those in okay tonight with only scattered showers. But here we go. There's the big rain mass. This is 5 a.m. tomorrow. And again, maybe some thunder, no severe weather. And by 1 o'clock, the bulk of the rain east and southeast of Birmingham. And that will be ending probably by mid-afternoon. But, it's going to be cold. These are wind chill indices projected Saturday at 1 o'clock. And you can see the wind chill values are in the low 40s in most spots. Lingering clouds, a brisk northwest wind. It'll be a very blustery, cold day. So if you go into a college football game like the Magic City Classic, Jacksonville State is at home, it's going to be more like the dead of winter. This is the GFS look for Saturday. You can see the cold front coming on through. Temperatures may be hitting the low 50s, but again, it's just going to be cold. This is Sunday. Now, Sunday morning, we'll go well down in the 30s. The NAM has got us down to 34 in Birmingham, and depends on the wind. I think the wind stays up. That should prevent a widespread frost, but some of the colder pockets might see a freeze early Sunday. The day Sunday will be sunny with a high in the upper 50s. And then Monday, that's when the wind will be light, and that's when the colder pockets will go in the 20s. Some places will have a freeze, obviously, but the frost should be fairly widespread Monday morning. And then during the day, we warm up with highs getting back in the 60s. This is Tuesday, sunny with a high in the upper 60s. And Wednesday will be close to 70, maybe some rain west of the state. Thursday, this GFS run keeps the showers north and west of here. And at the end of next week, on Friday, the 3rd of November, a little shortwave trough to the west. And again, the rain holds off to the north and west, but I wouldn't be shocked if we saw some showers maybe toward the latter part of next week. We'll see. The model consistency has not been all that good. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, the 5th of November. Heights up a little bit. Down below that, maybe enough moisture for a shower, but nothing especially widespread. And there's no sign of any severe weather for the next 10 days. Keep in mind our late fall severe weather season begins here next week as November kicks off. You can see our numbers. They spike down this weekend, but they come back up. Cold snaps don't last long this early in the season. Highs go back towards 70 out there toward the latter part of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.